For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
External Affairs Minister S Jaishankar highlighted that the Indian government was engaging with foreign governments to ensure the welfare of Indian talent that goes to work in foreign countries.
The focus of the government has been to provide better opportunities and welfare measures to prospective migrants. We have therefore been engaged in negotiations with foreign governments to opportunity through migration and mobility agreements, protection of social security contributions, and integration of migration platforms. Among those to whom we have accorded particular priority in terms of welfare and protection are the Indians working in the Gulf region and in Southeast Asia.
Addressing the third edition of the annual conference of protectors of emigrants via video conferencing, Jaishankar said there was a need to revive the economy hit by the COVID-19 pandemic.
As with the rest of the country, the protectors of immigrants must also rise to the challenge of reviving the post-COVID economy and engaging the post-COVID world.
The External Affairs Minister claimed the government was committed to alleviate the negative impact of the COVID-19 crisis on immigrants.
We are currently focused on ensuring that the negative economic consequences of the pandemic on our talent and skills abroad is mitigated. That is influenced not only by the quality of our various bilateral relationships, but the overall helpful approach that we have displayed in regard to health and economic requirements of our partners.
Stating that human resources are central to India's engagement with the world, the Union Minister also laid emphasis on getting back the market share at the earliest.
It is imperative that we recover our market share as quickly as possible. The coming months will see dedicated efforts in that direction. The contribution that POEs can make to facilitate this national objective is significant.
With regard to aiding the immigrants, Jaishankar said, in addition to pre-departure orientation, training for soft skills, and orientation about the country the person was visiting, his ministry will also allow for skill mapping.
The ministry is now seeking to expand this further through skill mapping, collaboration with skill councils overseas, and recognition of prior learning, RPL, such that our workers are also able to move up the value chain and earn better incomes abroad as at home.
According to the Ministry of External Affairs, the protectors of immigrants are responsible for granting immigration clearance to the immigrants according to the rules prescribed under the Immigration Act 1983.
Have a certain